You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce these names. There are different pronunciations. We're gonna learn how to pronounce them all, depending on the language or origin of the name. In Russian, the pronunciation is as Demetria. Spanish pronunciation, Demetria, Demetria. Italian is similar, Demetria. French, Demetria. In English, it's generally pronounced as Demetria, Demetria, Demetria. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.